What is up, YouTube? Almost forgot that I'm live trading now. So yeah. Good God, man. Good God. But coming in the day, leaning bullish here. This is so annoying. Leaning bullish. Reason being, hourly everything's trading higher. Yesterday, what's this 1 hour from? That was from 11 a.m. I don't remember pumping at 11. Straight up. But that must be towards the end. Let's zoom out low key. Yeah, that was after we tried shorting. Price just wanted to pump higher. Valid. But yeah, today I keep thinking we're gonna continue higher. So let's wait and see. There's London low. London low's a good bit lower. We do have an internal bearish SMT at these wick highs here. Pretty significant one at that. But kind of just chilling. We need to see something form within here to want to get involved with this as an SMT low. So yeah, we're genuinely being patient. And then if this fails to hold, could potentially look to short toward London low. But we'll see what price wants to do here. Alright, just turned this fair value gap inverse, but I need to see a change in the state or a market structure shift. Or else it doesn't matter. Bearish SMT, internal bullish SMT. Need to see internal structure validate higher prices. But yeah, really no expectations. Not been trading good this week. Even though, I guess, well, yeah, it's still the truth that I haven't been trading good this week. But if I actually held on to my position the other day, that would have been a 1 to 3R and literally erased all of this week's losses, even if I take a loss today. But instead, I closed it early. But if we don't hold this fair value gap, lower prices look pretty good. Targeting London low. Off the 1 minute inverse. How many cons would that be? 2. 2 cons. Yeah, I'm okay looking to get short here. Just because we're freaking completely rejecting any sign of bullish movement. Alright, my limit's set. Let's see what happens, bro. Hopefully we don't just freaking dump, but it's probably gonna happen. Stop at the high here. We have change in the state. Fair value gap turned inverse. Let's hope we could get filled. Almost got involved with all size on one account. Shocker, that never happens. I just need to make sure we're involved. I just need to make sure I double check. Reason I'm okay with this is because we have SMT at this data high here, the 830 high. Come up, sweep it on NQ, fail to do so on ES. We have a failure swing higher with any bullish price action, and we have internal sell side liquidity residing. Oh God. I took it on one account again, bro. That genuinely makes me so mad. Okay, we're involved on all of them now. Actually, I need to change something here. 11 needs to only be involved one contract. That's so annoying, dude. Now I need to adjust how much that account can lose. Because I accidentally took it. Off rip with that, bro. Whatever. We're involved. See what happens. If we get stopped out, I'm freaking hopping off. Straight up. I love when my stuff doesn't load, dude. Oh my gosh, look. Just straight up isn't loading. Pretty sick. Watch, I literally have to take the 11 out of the trade copier. This is so cringe. Sell one limit, so that's good. And then we go over to here. And then I'm involved with 10, so that's... Oh. All right, we're all set. But yeah, I'm involved here. If we're able to come down here, this would be a risk-free point, but who knows. And potentially even when if ES takes this low, that would be a risk-free point. So yeah. So yeah. Probably gonna pause the recording here. And yeah, well, let me just go over reasoning. I think I went over it decently. Had SMT at data higher 830, failing to displace higher through any of these bearish imbalances. Then we see a market structure shift, retracement back to a 1 minute bearish inverse fair value gap with liquidity residing, and London low is my current draw on liquidity. Also with the Friday, we could just want to kind of see a little bit of a retracement. TGIF setup somewhat. So yeah, that's my reasoning. We'll see what happens. Most likely we'll go risk-free early just because. And yeah, I will catch y'all when something happens. Yeah, this ain't good. ES is wanting to go lower, NQ's about to hit our stop. Unfortunate, but it is what it is, man. This just wasn't my week, I guess. Just wasn't my week. But yeah, freaking took 4 L's this week. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Very interesting, brother. I guess. Just not seeing the market clearly. Low-key, I need to get on the charts earlier, bro. Straight up. Been getting on the charts at like a little after 6. Been waking up at like 5:55. I gotta get up earlier. Like 5:30, bro. But whatever, dude. Finna be a losing week. Unfortunate, but literally nothing I can do about it now. All I can do is learn from it and try to get better. But yeah, I'll go more in depth, talk a little more once we get stopped. But yeah, I'll see y'all when we get stopped. I don't hate the idea of a potential ad here. Keyword is potential in that sentence. I would need to see something come down to and through here to even consider it. Realistically, I probably won't add. Best case scenario, ES comes down here, I go break even, and hope NQ follows behind. Just because I unpause it, just because I don't want to open myself up to unnecessary risk. Especially when we're about to have a internal bullish SMT at these lows. I would want to just see a dump here. So that got disrespected. Just got a bearish market structure shift. But again, who knows what's going to happen. I'll just pause it and update y'all if I do anything. Alright, so lit. We see a market structure shift lower after putting an SMT. And we're just like, nah, let's trade higher. Interesting. Price definitely does not want to go lower today. And that's obvious, brother. That's just apparent. It could be a day of Friday chop, but I suspect we get stopped out here soon. Not gonna lie. But it is what it is, man. Nothing really to add or say, man. Just didn't set myself up for success this week. This is the main thing. Gotta be more intentional coming into next week. Unfortunate, man. But it's a trade. We literally, even though I've taken 4 L's this week, I gotta think and look at the long series of trades, bro. Getting ticked about taking 4 L's in a week, especially when it was my fault. One of them wasn't a freaking 1-3R. That wipes 3 losses, and I would have been break even this week, you know. So I'm seeing the market, I'm just not executing. What the? But yeah, I'll pause it. I don't want y'all to just have to watch nothing happen. I guess there was 10 a.m. news or something. Let me check. Oh, freaking orange, bruh. What? Orange folder news. That's cringe. But yeah, we're still in this freaking. I guess we'll wait and see what happens. We have a bullish SMT, but at this point, bro, I'm just gonna hold it. It's $200. I don't care. I just wanna give it a chance, you know. But I'll unpause it when something happens. Kind of want to go break even here, brother. Just because price is so freaking choppy, dude. I'm literally not even lying. Dude, I hate Tradeovate with a freaking passion in my bones, dude. Literally every time I go to a different tab, it makes me freaking have to click the trade copier back. I want to go break even, but I also don't, bruh. Because I'm risking so little. Not even gonna lie, dude. I think we just freaking hang out and chill here. Might like trim one here or something if we're able to get down to there. Probably will. May take the whole freaking thing off, but we'll see. All right, I'm break even, bro. I'm not trading this PA. Straight up. So we'll see what happens. I'll unpause it if we get stopped at break even, but we can't lose on the day. So that's good, boy. Seeing some displacement down here, question mark. All right, we're seeing movement lower towards that internal sell side level. What I want to see is ES and NQ take it, and then I'm okay holding to hopefully London low. But because I don't really want to secure a one-to-one, not breaking rules, but bending the knee, just because price may not fully deliver, you know? Can't do that in trading, brother. But I do want to see ES take it as well. But again, we could get stopped at break even still, so. I'm expecting a stop out. Matter of fact, am I paused? Might not be paused. Oh, I'm not paused. My fault, twin. And that is why we go break even, bro. For that exact freaking reason. Show P&L. Break even here. Down $2. That's break even, obviously. And then here, break even. And then this is because I accidentally took 12 contracts on one. It's so annoying. Like, look. I was just on the trade copier, and you guys saw I was just on the trade copier over here. Okay, it did work, but usually it freaking doesn't. So let's make sure all my orders are canceled. But yeah, that was very goofy, that's for sure. Lock out, boom. Can't lock these out, but let's get into it. Yeah, obviously this is just bad Friday price action. It's genuinely all it is. It was a good trade. Looking back here, could have gone something like this maybe. And then would we have hit 1 to 2? Not even that. So honestly, I am totally chill with this trade. Because then you could say, oh, I could have gotten involved in here, but bro, realistically, I'm not waiting for it to come all the way back up to get involved there. So yeah, that's all I got for today. Break even on the day, so I guess only 3 L's this week, and one of them should have been a winner, and we would have been green this week. So just remember that. But that's all I got. Thank y'all for watching. Let me know how you did in the comments below. If you want to use a prop firm, check out Alpha Futures using my code or in the link in the description. And I'll see y'all later. Peace.